Hi, Vaughn here with Tasty Fairy 101, and today it's a one-pot chicken with potatoes. Let's go. Okay, first thing I want to do is use some Herbs de Provence. It's several different, a variety of herbs in there, and I don't like, it's a little too stemmy for me. So what I like to do is just put that in there and grind it up a little bit, and then it'll be ready for our chicken. Beautiful. All right, now get the chicken ready so we can season it and get it in the pan. Here we go, and we are going to salt and pepper our chicken. I'm using skinless, boneless thighs, chicken thighs today, just because, well, quite frankly, they produce a lot better flavor than any other part of the chicken, in my opinion. So your opinion might be different, but you can use anything that you'd like. Like I said, I prefer the chicken thighs and Herbs de Provence. Just season it all to taste. And I like taste, so I'm going to do a lot of seasonings. Here we go. Voila. Okay, let's cook some chicken here. We'll get our flames started. Get our Le Creuset braisers nice and warm. And the first thing I want to do is drop about a tablespoon of olive oil right in there. That'll help. All right, I just want to stir this around a little bit so all of my chicken doesn't stick, or any of my chicken sticks to it. So we'll let that get nice and warm, and then we'll start putting that chicken into the pan. All right, so what we're going to do is flip all these over, and like I said, cook them for 2 or 3 minutes longer, and then they'll actually cook the rest of the way in the oven. So flip your little devils here. Let's get that turned over. Turn down the heat just a little bit. You want a medium-high heat for this. I don't know if I mentioned that before, probably not. So now let's season these again on this side. Yeah, so all that goodness, that flavor is just absorbed into our chicken. A little pepper and a little salt. I'm using sea salt, by the way, is my choice of salt. So we'll let that go for another couple minutes, and then we're going to transfer that over to our clean plate, and then we'll start the process of the potatoes and etc. So see you in a minute. that's how we do a one pot potato and chicken. Oh, it's so good. I'm about to try it and let you know how it is. I'm sure it's really good. I want you to ask any questions you like. If you have any recommendations of something you'd like me to cook up, let me know. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you next time.